Kingstoon Animation Festival represents every bit of what our government envisioned for our youth, for entrepreneurship, and for the creation of jobs.
The second staging of this animation conference and festival is on for March 12 and 13. Local animators will get a chance to learn from workshops hosted by leading international animators, earn from competition and pitching sessions as they present their productions to potential buyers and investors, and display original films with Afro content. It all goes down at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts in Kingston. Minister of Science and Technology Philip Paulwell expects it to position Jamaica to tap into potential job opportunities in the global animation industry, which is estimated to be worth over $200 billion.
This is a multi-billion-dollar industry with significant growth potential, and Jamaica needs to be a part of it in a big way.
The Animation Festival will also engage youth from other Caribbean countries.
The animation industry holds, in closing, for us a plethora of opportunities, not just for our country, but for the Caribbean. As a country, we are putting our people in the position through which they can actualize and generate employment. We want to make money. We want to enable our people to become wealthy and thereby our country becoming prosperous.
Kingstoon is being put on by the government in collaboration with the World Bank.
For us, as well as for the government, this animation festival and conference is about economic development and youth employment.
Kingstoon is aligned to the youth employment in digital and animation industry, which provides training and employment for young people. This 5-year project is also being funded by the World Bank.
The World Bank has been much more than just funders of this initiative. The input that they've provided over the last 3 years has been invaluable in propelling us in both what we have done in Digital Jam and now in Startup Jamaica and where we are in the animation industry.
Other sponsors include Toon Boom, Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts, Wascom, TV Paint, SEROM, and the Jamaica Information Service. The Caribbean Development Bank will be funding participants coming from other Caribbean countries. JAMPRO is also on board, tasked with identifying investment opportunities that will help to propel the growth of the local animation industry. According to its president, Diane Edwards, JAMPRO will facilitate business meetings among producers, buyers, and consumers of content.
We're only too anxious to hear about the various deals that will come about as a result of this event. We are also seized of the importance of building the ecosystem for the industry, including institutional strengthening, training and upskilling of the talent pool, international standards and accreditation, which is critical, and all of these elements will come together to ensure our competitiveness on a global scale.
Everyone with a keen interest in any aspect of the animation industry should plan to attend. Whether you're an experienced animator or just starting out, whether you're an artist, a student, a teacher, a filmmaker, production companies, advertising agencies, actors and directors. Students from high school, colleges, universities, vocational training programs who have an interest in the visual arts are all encouraged to attend and participate.
Among the prizes to be won are scholarships to 2 overseas universities that are leaders in the animation industry. Winners will be exposed to working and operating under international best practices.
Within the first 6 months after Kingstoon, Jamaican animation studios signed with international companies such as Disney. That is the league we are in, and we want to stay for the future.
For the latest information on Kingstoon leading up to March 12, you can log on to their website, kingstoonfest.com, or their Facebook and Twitter pages.